Ngayong araw ay papakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano ako maglinis ng istante. Ayan ang aking istante guys. Wala na masyadong laman. Tamang-tama. Lilinisin muna natin bago ko ilagay yung aking mga ilalagay na paninda dyan mamaya after ko mag-grocery. Ayan no, tingnan nyo. Dahil sa malapit nga kami sa karsada, ganyan ang itsura niya oh. Ayan. Simula nung binili ko to, hindi ko na siya tinanggal dyan. Punas-punas lang. Ayan o, silipin nyo sa labas. Ayan. Ganyan ang labas niyan. Itong istanting ito guys ay mga 6 years na to sa akin kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Ayan. Hindi na talaga yan tinanggal. Ayan yung aming kontador. O, ayan, alam nyo na. Talagang nasa loob lang ako ng aming garahe. Nagtitinda. Kaya maliit lang talaga ang space ko dito. Ayan, napakadami kalat. Ang dami kong mga gamit na basta na lang ipinapasak yan pagka nagmamadali. Lalo yung mga resibo. Diyan ko lang lagi nilalagay. Tatanggalin ko muna lahat ng mga laman para malinis natin ng maayos. Ayan. So, ayun guys, pinalabas ko na sa anak ko kasi mahirap linisin pag doon sa loob. Kaya dito na lang siya para malinis ko ng maayos. Una natin gagawin ay kukuha tayo ng tubig at saka gamitan na rin natin ng dishwashing liquid. Ayan. Saka, ito mayroon akong basahan. Inihalo ko lang yon dishwashing sa tubig.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love
Ayan, no? Almost done na tayo. Oh, nalinis na, no? Konting, ano na lang yan, guys. Konting polish na lang. Mas, may igaganda pa yan. Gumaan ang pakiramdam ng istante ko. Nawala yung kanyang mga libag. Siguro ang saya-saya din niya. At ito na nga yung ating pang-finishing. Ayan. Yan ay product ng personal collection. Ang ganda niyang gamitin, guys, kasi kahit marami siyang pinagagamitan. Pwede siya sa mga salamin, ang bintana natin, sa mga furniture, appliances, saka, ayan nga, gagamitin ko siya dito sa istante, at saka sa sapatos. Yan ang ginagamit ko sa mga sapatos ng mga anak ko pagka nag-i-schooling sila. Ayan, spray lang natin yan, paikot, sa taas, baba, dyan sa tabi. Tapos gagamitan lang natin ng tuyong basahan. So, ayun guys, ang finished product, oh. Maganda ba? Nagustuhan niyo ba? Ayan pa, oh. Ayan siya ngayon. At lipat naman tayo dito sa isa kong istante. Ayan, hindi ko siya pwedeng ilabas kasi nakapit siya, oh. Kaya dito ko na lang siya lilinisin. Pero pupunasan ko na lang yan at ipapolish ko na lang ulit. Pares nung isa. Tinanggal ko na nga rin pala yung mga laman yan kanina. Pero hindi ko na siya na-film. At gagamitin ulit natin itong tough protectant para maging shine itong ating istante. Ayan, konti na lang ang lumalabas kasi sinisimot na lang natin guys yung laman. O konti na lang yung laman yan. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching and keep safe everyone. Bye!